Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa News. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about BTS stage first look. Jibong performance secure live up ahead of Arirang backup performance. BTS lit up stage for the Arirang album revealed that Jibong performance secure in Seoul. Ahead of their post-military comeback on 20 March 2026, the grand stage of BTS return to the music scene is being redyed at the historical Jimong Women's Cure in Seoul, South Korea. With only a couple of days left until the event, the preparations are in full swing for the Septet's revival in their home country, and the first look at the platform being built for the superstars has been revealed. BTS Jimong Woman comeback stage revealed as BTS Army gears up for the K-pop icons comeback in just over 12 hours. The grand stage for their debut showcase of their new album Arirang, where the group will unveil this performance. Performance for the first time has been set up at the Gyeongbokgung Palace's Jivong Woman Gate, which is also known as the Jivong Woman Square. A rectangular arch has been created for Armchen, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook to perform under and was seen in lit up for the first time on 19 March ahead of the album's release with the LEDs glimmering in purple lights. The resident army color Seoul has already been painted in BTS Comeback Forever. Meanwhile, the 14-track album Arirang will be revealed on 20 March at 1 p.m. KST alongside a music video for the title track film, which is said to have been shot in Lisbon, Portugal's Maritime Museum. And their first performance of the song will be live streamed as a part of the BTS The Comeback live show simultaneously on Netflix on 20 March at 8 p.m. KST. It will be followed by a documentary being released on 27 March on Netflix, which will cover the journey of BTS' fifth regular album, Arirang's recording process through Los Angeles studio moments, collaboration with film producers, and more. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice